tell me, what is air? Air is mixture of gases. Yes or no, children? Then, and tell me which gases are mixed in the air and how much? You know, children? No, na? Okay, I will tell you. So, take out your EVS book, page number 210. Okay, children? So, let's start. There is air all around us. Okay, air is a precious research, but we do not care much about it. Air contains oxygen, which is essential for us to live. Without air, we cannot live. Yes or no, children? Without air, we cannot live. Air, can you feel air? No. We cannot live. Sorry, we cannot see air, but we can feel air. Yes or no, children? We cannot see air because air is colorless. Yes or no, children? We can feel air. We cannot see air, but we can feel it as it blows and cools our body. When we feel air, when air blow and we feel cool. Yes or no, children? So, which is components is there in air? Let us read. Air makes up the Earth's atmosphere. Air make up Earth's atmosphere. Okay. The air we breathe contains 78% nitrogen gas is there. 21% oxygen, 0.9 argon, and 0.03% carbon dioxide is there. Which gas mixed in the air? Nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Okay. And water vapor also is there. Okay, children. Air also contain tiny bits of dust. You saw na? In the air, small dust also. What is there? Pollen grains from plants and other particles as our atmosphere extend higher above the earth. Air becomes thinner and the combination of gases in the air changes. Okay. So children, you know, air occupies space. How you will know? So see, we cannot see air. Can you see air, children? No, we cannot see air, but we can feel it. Yes or no? Have you seen the wind making the leaves on a tree moves? Huh? Have you seen, children? That is moving air. We can feel it on our skin. Yes or no? Have you seen a sailboat moving on the water? The air pushes the sail boats. We also take air into our lungs when we breathe in. We push air out when we breathe out. Okay, children? When we take air into our lungs, the air pull it, and when we push air out when we breathe out. But air is invisible. Yes or no, children? Air is invisible. Does it take up space? It is really made of anything. Let's do this experiment to see if it takes up space or not. Okay. So, see, children, feel 2/3 of a fish tank. Fish tank means what, children? Aquarium. You saw my aquarium or other large container with water, full of water. Okay. Invert a drinking glass and push it into the water, trapping it inside the glass. Okay. We can easily observe the trapped air inside the invert glass. Then silently tilt the glass to allow bubble. to bubbles, prove the air was inside the glass. Okay, the air as it moves out of the glass is replaced by water. Okay, this proves air takes up space. Okay, now compress air. We can squeeze air into some small space like a balloon. If you will blow the air inside the balloon, what your balloon? Your balloon expand, yes or no? If we blow air into a balloon, it fills with air. Yes or no, children? The more air we force into it, the air inside a balloon is squeezed into a small space. This is called compressed air. एक छोटे से जगह पर भी वायु क्या करता है, अपना जगह बना लेता है. देखो बेलून इतना छोटा होता है, फिर भी हम जितना हवा भरते हैं वो उतना बड़ा होता जाता है, लेकिन बेलून इतना सा ही होता है. Compressed air is a popular form of power because it is clean, easy to use and easy to transport. Okay, to see how a hand pump works, you saw na children, bicycles pump. Take a bicycle tire pump. It takes air and pumps into a bike tire when you push a handle like this you are doing. Yes or no? When the pedal is compressed means ऐसे जब हम करते हैं, yes or no? Air enters the bike tire. Once the air has entered the tire, it becomes compressed air. If more air enters the tire, it results in higher air pressure the tire. Okay, children. Now we will read air has weight. You know, air takes space. Now we will know air has also weight. Okay. Air has weight because of gravity. Gravity affects everything that has mass. Air has mass, so gravity pulls it towards the ground. Okay, we weight in air is very small, so we cannot feel the weight by ordinary senses. Let's know how air has weight. Okay, children. Take some materials. Then you will do experiment. Okay. What is that material? 2 balloons, equal size 2 balloons, 3-piece strings, 6 inches long. Okay, and wooden ruler. Okay, or any stick also. A small needle. This much material you take. Okay, now procedure how to. We will know air has weight. Okay, so take 2 same balloons. Okay, and let them air in and tie the balloons. Okay, both side. Then attach the other end. Then attach the other end of each of the strings. Okay, to opposite ends of the ruler like this. This is the ruler. Here one balloon attached and here also one balloon. Okay, like this it is. Keep the balloons at the same distance. Okay, children, same distance only. From the middle of the ruler, the balloon will not be able to dangle below the ruler. Okay, tie the third string at the middle of the ruler here. Third number string here tie. Okay, in the middle of the ruler. Okay, children. Adjust the within string until the ruler is parallel to the floor. Okay, adjust this ruler and puncture one of the balloon with needle. One side balloon you puncture with needle. Okay, puncture.